Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, 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 hey. I don't know why this is. I gotta fix this little thingy real quickly right here. There we go. Wait. Wait. What? Why is this the background there? Other window capture. No, this window capture. This damn computer sometimes, I swear to gosh. Window capture. Window capture. Window capture. Window capture. Window capture. What the fuck? Is not what I want. I want the window capture. There we go. Oh my God. It's finally working. What's going on? It's Friday. Fresh cash. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out, my friends. I think this is a world record. I'm pretty sure it's got to be a world record. It's got to be. There's nobody else on this fucking planet that can go out in the morning before the market opens, catch mahi, and then come back in and get live on YouTube and make fucking money. Nobody. Well, I haven't made money yet, but I got a pretty good feeling. Look at that thing. There's that mahi out there. I went fishing this morning. Oh, you'll see the mahi. There he is. Look at him. I threw him in the boat. It's on my Instagram. Check him out. This morning. It's a fresh catch Friday. Patrick, we don't care about you. Say anymore after Derek came yesterday. Oh, deleted. Let's go. We're getting fired up, boys. All right. Fresh Cash Friday. Whew. All right. Right now. We're pulling it up. Looking here at the charts. We got the NASDAQ yesterday. Big move down end of day. We were chopping around those pivot points and then finally made that big move down there. Breaking through the pivots I talked about yesterday live. Well, not live, but pretty much, well, on Topstep TV live. And then talked about it on Twitter as well. That 25 pivot point looking juicy down there. It got all the way down there to the 844s by the end of the day. So let's see how this plays out. We're pretty much at yesterday's low area right now. This 844 area. Not much of a gap. We basically closed here yesterday. So we'll see what happens. If we continue to sell, do we get some support here? At the 15-minute chart right now, we got that 773 pivot point to the downside. On the hourly, I mean, that's looking like a bear flag if I ever seen one. Little bear flag here on the hourly chart currently. Not looking too hot on the hourly. Do we have any numbers today? Any numbers coming out here? Any surprises coming out? Anybody talking? Any kind of bullshit going on? What do we got? Let me look. Numbers. FOMC Harker speaking at 9 a.m. And then Mester. I always thought FOMC Mester is kind of like a scary name. Scary Mester. And I don't, yeah. You can put 2 and 2 together there. You can put it together. 2 and 2, baby. All right. We are live. We are doing it. It is happening. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We'll do the poll here. We need 500 likes here. 500 likes to get to our goal of for the market to open up and for me to do the poll. If you want the poll, hit the like button. If you don't want the poll, don't hit the like button. How about that? Catch me outside, okay? Now I incentivize you guys to hit the like button. Tricked you. You thought you were smart, but really, I'm the smartest guy in the room. Patrick, how were you able to control emotions while trading? It's like fishing, man. You get a big fish on, you can't freak out. You know, if you lose a big fish, you just got to keep on fishing. It's just like fishing. That's pretty much everything can just be, you know, it's all about fishing, basically. The Shogun beats. College student in need of combine because you're broke. The combine is $49. Go get a job. Go fucking mow a yard. Do something. It's $49. Go do manual labor for a day. Just do anything at all. And you can make 50 bucks in one day. Come on, guys. Don't give me that shit. I'm too broke. Nope, you're just too fucking lazy. You're too fucking lazy. That's what you are. You're not broke. You're fucking lazy. Patrick, I need a free combine because I'm broke. No, you just a fucking lazy. I don't want to say worthless, but you lazy. Why don't I drink coffee, black coffee like a real man? Because I'm not a real man. I'm the #1 man. I'm an Uber man. I'm better than all the men. I am the man. I am him. I am the man. The man, the man, the man. The myth, the legend, people. All right, right now, we got this bear flag looking thingy majiggy here on the NASDAQ right now. That 850 area holding us down here. Going to the 15-minute chart. We hitting that trend line once again. Lower high, lower high, lower high. I don't want to tell you what happens next, but put 2 and 2 together. Put 2 and 2 together. 1 + 1 = 3. We need 500 likes to do the poll. If you want it, hit that like button right now, right now, right now. Guys, I literally went fishing this morning. I came back for you guys. I came back for you. I came back. Let's hit that like button. Let's make this a good day. Joshua, fellow 407 here, gaining interest, but you're confused. Don't worry, you'll be confused forever. Welcome to trading. Even I'm still confused sometimes. I'm waiting for 500 likes and we'll do the poll. I don't know why it's so hard. There's 1,500 people watching. Let's just hit the like button and then we keep it party. We keep the party going. All right. All right. So going into open right now, you can see there's a very clear trend happening. 15-minute chart. We're right there with the view op right now. That 14 EMA. I would say the NASDAQ's kind of get above kind of this 880 area. Maybe we run up here to the pivot point at the 950s, kind of pull back into that big pullback from yesterday, that drop from yesterday up into that 950 area. If the dollar starts to sell, the dollar is holding right now at the low. It's kind of interesting because the dollar is sitting at the low. The NASDAQ's sitting right here at this kind of downtrend. So we'll see. Y'all are gonna, Derek's gonna talk about a trade today, and then y'all are gonna take it, and then it's gonna go opposite, and everyone's gonna get blown up, and then everyone's gonna cry, and then everyone's gonna cry. Why? Derek told us it was gonna go down. Derek, I already know how it's gonna happen. Derek's gonna come in, and be like, okay, I think this is what's gonna happen. Who won the challenge? You or Nutty? I think we all know who won. The #1 day trader on YouTube. The number one. Well, all right. Well, I don't know why this one's like still lagged from yesterday. I need to like pop it out. Pop it out. The poll right now, 62% up, 38% down. Which way are we gonna go? Who's betting? Who's betting? Who's betting? Right now the market is going up. So we got 2 minutes here till the market opens. 2 minutes. Put your bets in. We got 376 votes. A&E, why do all the YouTubers? I don't know, bro. Kind of, this could be a trap. It could be a trap, people. The poll right now, 65% up, 35% down. That's a pretty strong lean and towards leaning towards the bulls here at open. We'll see if it happens that way. We are getting ready right now. We're getting ready. The market getting ready. Here we go. It's time to party. It's time to party, party, party. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, we got 30 seconds here till market opens. 30 seconds, people. Place your bets now. It's time to party. I think if we get above this 80 area here, we got that 88 resistance there to get through next. So here we go. 15, count it down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Will they pop it? Will they drop it? Right now, pulling back here into the 14 EMA right at open there. Got the VWAP down there at the 39s. Ooh, buddy. Need to see what happens here with the VWAP now. Do we bounce or start dumping straight down there? Look at the trap. She's looking trappy here. Oh, man. Oh, buddy. Gotta see what happens here at the 30s. If we're gonna hold here, squeeze straight back up, or gonna dump through here. We got that support down there at the 800s next. Could come pretty quickly here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ pushing down here now. They trapped everybody right before open there. Wow. It's a trap. Looking at the ES right here, holding above the VWAP for now. The pole, not looking too hot right now. Straight down she goes. The ES is still holding up at the 94s for now. Will the NASDAQ sell through here at the 20s? Take out the 800s next. Hmm. Dollar's pulling back. The ES is holding on for now. ES is still holding on right there at the 94s, but dollar just dumped straight down. The NASDAQ's bouncing here at this support. Could get some legs to push back up to the VWAP now. Back up to the VWAP there, 37 VWAP. There's the VWAP touch. What is the VWAP? The VWAP is the volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price, people. She's trying to reverse here. If we get back above the VWAP, things get interesting. We'll have to see what happens here. The ES is pushing straight up. The dollar's selling here. Neil, I'm not the customer service for Topstep, so I can't help you with your account, bro. You gotta email Topstep. Don't email me. Don't ask me questions about Topstep customer service, guys. I'm not Topstep customer service. They'll help you out. Don't worry. They have a live feature on their website. All right, we're right now trying to push back above the VWAP. The ES is trying to get through. If the ES can get through that 300 level, the NASDAQ might just start squeezing straight up here. Dollar selling off. This is looking squeezy. Nice little bounce off that low down there. Like I said, pushing through the VWAP just like that. Just got to get through that 50 area next here on the NASDAQ. Up there to the 50s now. Got to get through this trend line right here. The dollar is still selling. See if the Nasdaq's going to be able to get through 60s and then run to the 80s from there. Just need to get that cleared out 60 area, and then you're up into this level next. This is the 3-minute chart. The 15-minute candle, nice little push back up there. We're above the VWAP there on the 15-minute candle now. But can it go all the way? I think she wants to squeeze. I think she wants it. It's got to get through 55 there. Through the 55s there. Go, go, go. Right now we're looking at the 1-minute chart. Sitting here at this resistance. Get through that trend line there and then go, go, go. The ES needs to get pushing through here. 95, 96 is on the ES to get through there. NASDAQ right there. Trying to go through the 60s here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Bueller. Bueller. Beautiful. Up there to 62s. Can we keep the party going? Oh, we can, baby. Oh, we can. Oh, we can. I likey, I likey. Up there to the 72s. Like I said, through the 50s. Going up there to the 60s. I'm going to see if we can get this break through 72s there next. Just moving my stop to break even right there at the 48s. And then we take out the 72s. Don't do it. Oh, my God, Patrick. Don't do it. Don't you fucking do it right now. If this thing pulls back and stops me out, I'm going to cry. Every time. No way. No fucking way. No fucking way. It's going. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. Through the 72s. All right, if it don't go right here, I'm going to take it off. It's got to go through right here on this candle. Through the 70s right here, right now. Just going to lock it in for 20 points there. Fuck you. It's going to go now. God damn it. Now it's going to go. I'll take it. Fuck you, assholes. Fuck you, assholes. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, man. There it goes through the 70s now. You knew it was going to go. If I don't take fucking profit, it's not going to go. God. Every fucking time. There it goes. 83s now. Well, fuck Patrick. Fuck Patrick. Fuck me. Fuck Patrick. God. It's a joke. My life's a joke sometimes. I swear to God. I swear to God. Lion Air Holdings blocked for life. Why does anyone listen to this guy? I don't fucking know. Why does anyone listen? Why do you guys listen to me? Anybody in the chat have an idea why you listen to me? Does anybody? Are you guys all just here? Are you here on your... Are you forced to be here? Am I China? Did I force you to fucking tune in? Motherfuckers act like I'd be forcing people to watch. Guys, if you don't watch me, you'll... I don't know what to say. Patrick Wieland's hit enforcement squad is going to come to your house and force you to watch me. We're using Topstep. If people ask me, broker please. Broker please. Broker please. Muji Fuji. Get the fuck up. I need more moderators. We need more moderators. More moderators. Nice little squeeze up there. UCLA, welcome to the big leagues. Oh, God. We're calling him up. Calling him up to the big leagues. Moderator status on Patrick Wieland's channel. There is no greater honor than being a moderator on Patrick Wieland's YouTube channel. You know, take it, wear it with pride. Wear it with pride. You're the #1 moderator on the #1 YouTube channel. All right, looking a little still like you got some more to go here. If we get this thing squeezy, we got to get through that 87 up there. So how's this gonna play? Play all day. We got stuck right there at this level from the overnight, the London high. Pulled right back, pulling back down here to the VWAP now. 15-minute opening range here. 810 to 880 for your opening range today. Dollar pushing back up here now. The NASDAQ, the ES kind of bouncing, both bounced off the VWAP right there. Little rip straight back up here, 70s. If we can get a nice little flag here, get this breakout through the 80s, I think we go straight up here again. Dollar is now getting stuck there. We have not even broken out of the 15-minute range yet, so that 15-minute range breakout coming. Will it be a big move up? We got that pivot point all the way up there at the 956s today. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. $320 pivot point on the ES. Lots of room to run here, my friends. Lots of room. Still lots of room to go. Oh, man, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. It's really nice. There's a, oh, We're going up. We're going up here. Nice little bounce there. Looking for this break through the 88 high up there. And then I think we can get going here. All right, so we are back. We are live on YouTube. We fished this morning. Well, you guys obviously, you're tuning in. You're watching right now. So we're live. We're doing it. We got over 2,000 people. What other YouTuber out there has ever caught a mahi-mahi and then went live on YouTube and made money? Who? I'm like an owl over here. Tanja Trades, my future wife. Welcome to the party. If you guys haven't already checked out Tanja Trades' new video, she talks about me and in our beautiful relationship. It's like a butterfly base, or like a what's a good analogy of our relationship? Yeah, basically it's an amazing relationship. Yeah, it's pretty much what it is. We're gonna be YouTube's #1 power couple. Oh yeah. Tanja. I'll never say her name right. She likes when I say her name the wrong way. You know, when girls like get mad, you know, like they get mad, they're really like, they're not mad. They're like they like it. Like, oh, say my name right. Like, oh, Tanja, say it right. Oh, Tanja, yeah. So right now, pulling back here into the 14 EMA again. We still have not really even broken out here. Tanja, you said it was going to break out. What happened? You lied to me, Tanja. Tanja literally said in the chat it was going to break and go higher. And, well, it didn't go. I went all in there. This is why you don't listen to the chat, ever. Don't ever listen to the chat, people. Don't do it. It's not a good idea. Don't do it. Don't listen to the beautiful blonde in the chat. She'll get you every time. She'll get you every time, man. And the 15-minute chart, we just pulled straight back to the VWAP once again. Straight back to the VWAP. What did I do? Where did I go wrong in my life? My normal Friday shirt is in Orlando. Forgot to bring it with me. Market straight down here. Well, not straight down, but pretty much straight down since tapping that resistance up there. Back to the VWAP again here. Just can't get moving. Just can't get grooving and moving and grooving and moving to the music. Just don't feel the party. Drinking all the Bacardi. I said, baby, baby, don't you want me to be in love? What did I do wrong? Again, bouncing there out the VWAP, up to the 14 EMA, getting stuck there. The dollar trying to push up here. The indices having trouble. I know, no shirt, no Fresh Cash Friday. We tried. Just couldn't do it without the shirt, man. I needed the shirt. Got to turn on my ICT concept so we can see what's going on here. I just could not understand the price action without my ICT concepts on the chart. Now it all makes sense. Now I know exactly what's happening. We got an MSS right there, baby. MSS. Not a good sign. That's bad. MSS. We got MSS on the chart. We're screwed. I don't know what MSS means, but it's not good. It just clearly can't be a good thing. MSS, not good for anybody. I think that's like, it's like multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis. The NASDAQ, the ES, up, down, all around today. Market stabilization. I think that's what it is for sure. Market stabilizing. Stabilization software. MSS. Do you have problems with the market going up and down at the same time? Are you confused? Use our all-new software, the MSS. We stabilize the price so that you no longer have to experience the chop. We make the market smooth as butter. It's happening. The MSS is kicking in. It's going to bring the price back right up to the top. MSS. Welcome. That was a pretty good ad, right? I think I could be a spokesperson for MSS. If you're out there, if anybody with the company name MSS wants to call me, I got your slogan. MSS, we're here to make the market smooth. Smoothing services. Market smoothing services. We smooth out the market for you and you alone. It's crazy. Like right now, the dollar in the market is like tick for tick. If the dollar pushes up here, the NASDAQ is going to pull right back. If the dollar has trouble, then the NASDAQ pops up really quickly. So everything is hinging on the dollar right now. DXY. If you're not looking at the DXY, look at this thing. The DXY right now just chopping here. Dollar's chopping. NASDAQ again, right there. Look at this. Look at the 1 minute chart right there. So the NASDAQ is just popping up as the dollar just pulled right back there. Dollar needs to break down here for this NASDAQ breakout. I know it's the market structure shift. I'm not an idiot. I just think that MSS sounds better. Market stabilization systems. People think that I don't know. I think people, they don't get my humor sometimes. That's the great thing about Tanja. Tanja gets my humor so well. We just really connect on that level. We really connect when it comes to my humor. I make fun of ICT. She makes fun of me. Then she tells me how much she loves ICT. And then I tell her, oh my God, I can't believe you love someone other than me. Dollar is pulling back. Can the NASDAQ finally get out of this 15-minute opening range? I think Tanja has a picture of ICT on her wall. She has a picture of ICT just staring at her while she's trading. Whenever she thinks about entering a trade, she looks over and goes, ICT, what do you think? And he replies, do you feel it? Do you see it? Is the price there? Do you understand where the market's going? If all those things happen, then why does it matter what I think? I also heard that ICT is getting ready for the Armageddon, end of the world this weekend. Get ready. I know what I'll be doing this weekend. Going fishing. If the world's ending, you know where I want to be? I want to be out on a boat. I want to come back. I want to go out in the middle of the ocean. I want to come back to land and be like, damn, the world ended while I was gone. I always think about that because, you know, when you're out fishing, when you're out that far off the coast, you don't have cell phone service. So what if I came home one day and the world ended while I was gone? I would kind of be upset. I'd be like, damn, I didn't get a tweet about it. I didn't get a post about it. The world just ended without me even knowing. What's the furthest I can go? About 500 miles, I guess. Just drive 500 miles straight out in the middle of the ocean. Never come back. The dollar, again, pushing up here. The NASDAQ stuck. Trouble, trouble, trouble for everybody. Trouble, trouble, trouble. The MSS left. It's gone forever. No, it's back. MSS is back. Don't worry. We're good. We're good. We're chilling. We got numbers at 10 o'clock? Really? What numbers? I don't see any numbers. 10 o'clock numbers. I don't see them. Am I looking at the right day? Today is Friday. I don't see it. Where are the numbers at? Anybody know? I don't know. Dollar going straight up. The ES, the NASDAQ just stuck here. Not looking good. Not looking good currently. Unless they're going to trap everybody down there. Trappy. Trappier. Trap or die. Oh, come on, Fridays. Don't do this to me. Just go up, go down, do something. Back up to the 50s again. I mean, if we break this 15-minute opening range, I mean, we've got to get a big move out of this. This is some serious consolidation here. Some serious consolidation here. What does the chat think? Let's do a poll. Little 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. poll here in the chat. Poll time. Will we break up or down 15-minute opening range? Up, down. Will we break up or down out of the opening range 15-minute candle? I don't have the chat thing. What the fuck? Doesn't work. It's the wrong one. That's from yesterday. So why does that one from yesterday show up still? I don't know. I don't get it. Delete the one from yesterday, maybe. See if that works now. Nope. Nope. Whatever, it doesn't work. Dollar once again dumping back down. The NASDAQ once again at the 50s. All right, so the poll right now is 59% say we're going to break the 15-minute range to the upside. 41% say we're going to break to the downside. We'll find out. Still waiting, still waiting. Tanja's gonna short it. She's gonna short it, she says. Watch out. We got a bear in the chat. She's a bear. I think that's financial advice. She just gave out a financial advice if anyone's wondering. The ES broke the 15-minute range already, by the way, to the downside. So what does that mean for the NASDAQ here? The million-dollar question. We got a pivot point down there, 773s. NASDAQ holding on here. The ES looking weak right now. The ES down there, 84s. NASDAQ still just holding here at the 50s. We've got, I mean, this is like, it's got to make a move here. It's just getting tighter and tighter there. Something's got to happen. Just trapped him again down there at the bottom. Let's see. We finally get that sell through there. Dollar pushing up. NASDAQ should sell through. ES breaking pre-market low. I'm short, trying to get this move down. We'll see if it happens. Dollar is pushing straight up. We got, oh my, there's a new thing on the chart, guys. This is trouble. Now we have a BOS. It's a boss. It's a boss move coming. It's a boss. The candles are gonna get huge. Boss life. All right, the ES is selling right now. I don't see how the NASDAQ doesn't sell down through here. I just don't see how that doesn't happen. So let's go, baby. We're rocking, we're rolling. Daddy likey. Short from the 40s here. Can we get this break? I'm looking for a move all the way through the 800s here. I want to see a move down to that pivot point. So I'm going to be greedy with it. I'm going to be greedy with it there. Now it's going to fucking push back up here and stop me out probably. I'm going to keep it a little higher, actually. Let's keep it up here at the 50s, just so I don't get stopped out here. Let's put in a lower high first. Don't you do it. Do not do this to me. Don't you do it to me. Don't you do this to me, Jimmy. Oh, you fucking assholes. I just want to. If I could just get one 50-point move today, I'd be happy. Just one. Just give me one easy peasy mac and cheesy 50-point move. Patrick Wieland done. You know, but no. Never happens. Anytime I talk about my position, the market just goes, just kidding. And then if I get out right here, it's gonna fucking drop right through the 800s. So it's either way, I'm fucked. Absolutely fucked either way. Just absolutely fucked. My life's a joke. The joke. It's a joke. Okay. It's working. Let's go. We gotta get through the 800s here. I'm short, motherfuckers, everything. I short the whole world. From the 841s, let's go get. Oh, come on! Don't stop right here. You keep on going, baby. Keep on going. Down there to the 90s. Look at take profit the 90s here. I'm gonna take it right there. Whee! 50 points, Patrick. Yay! Hercules. That's funny. Hercules. God, just once. See, finally I got lucky in life. Finally, I got some luck in life around here. What a move. That's exactly what we were looking for. Just that candle right through the 800s. ICT who? Patrick Wieland. I see Patrick Wieland. That's the only thing I'm seeing around here. That's why Tanja Trade loves me so much. That's why we're such a perfect couple. Because she knows how good of a trader I am. Oh, God. Let's go, boys. Let's fucking go. Oh, man. I'm gonna fly Tanja Trades down from New York this week and take her out to a steak dinner. I don't think she even eats steaks. She's probably a vegan or some shit. Probably only eats vegan food or vegetarian food or yogurt or fucking cereal. I don't know, some weird diet. People in New York always have some weird ass diets. I only eat pizza. I'm a pizza diet. I'm a pizza dieter. Tanja, they think you're a gold digger. Didn't you tell them that I have no money and you actually like me because of I'm so funny on YouTube? What are you guys talking about? She's gonna be my sugar mama. Gonna take care of me. I got me a woman that can trade. Joke's on you, boys. Joke's on you. I know. Her friend, you know what's stupid is Tanja's friends told her that like I'm a random guy. Like, oh, you're gonna go to Miami to meet a random guy. I'm like, I'm not a random guy. I'm the #1 day trader on YouTube. I mean, there's a big difference between being a random guy and being Patrick Wieland. Whew. Where's that thing? You guys have conversations. I gotta see the car. I want to be a part of the conversation. Oh man. All right, so it's 10:15 here in the morning. We are live on YouTube. We just locked in over $3,000 there on that short. We got the perfect short. We were looking for a move up, and then my girlfriend, Tanja, came live on YouTube, and she said, Patrick, don't fight the market. Ride the market. And I was like, whoa, that's fucking groundbreaking news. So I went short. Oh, man. See, that's why we're going to be the #1 power couple on YouTube. We're just gonna get short together. We're gonna just, watch the market together. It's gonna be great. I mean, we really did kill that. I don't want to lie. I got short for this breakdown right there through that trend line. Simple trend lines, My mentor, Tori Trades, she taught me about these trend lines. You put the trend line on the chart. You wait for the trend line, the market to go below the trend line. You get short. Money. Infinite money glitch. People think trading is hard. Little do they know, all you need to do is draw the trend line. Doop, boop, boop, boo. Done. It's simple, people. You want to get rich? Put the trend line on there and whee! Money, 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 money. Y'all be thinking that I hate people. I love everybody. I think everyone's great. Everybody except ICT. He's fucking nuts. No, I love him. I love him, but he's crazy. He's crazy as shit. ICT is fucking crazy. You can tell him I said that as well. Only ICT would sit on only ICT can sit on Twitter for 3 hours in a space, literally talking about nothing. Only he could. Only fucking ICT can sit there on Twitter for 3 hours just having a Twitter conversation with himself. Guys, so my wife, I'm like talking to my wife the other day, and I'm like, why? I'm like, why? I love you so much. And I look at her, I'm just like, man, I just love her. And then I went outside, and I was just thinking, like, man, God. If you think about it, like, you look up in the sky and you're looking at God. It's blue. The sky's blue. That's where God lives, up in the sky. And the clouds, you know, God hangs out on the clouds, little angels flying around up there. Up in the blue sky with the clouds. I always wonder though, what happens when there's no clouds? Where do the angels sit at? We got to figure this out. This is a real question. Maybe someone can answer it. When there is no clouds in the sky, where do the angels sit? I'm confused. I'm confused. Pretty sure clouds were on the other side of the earth. Oh. What if the earth's flat? What if the earth is flat? Have you guys heard of the flat earth theory? All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. My two front teeth. My two front teeth. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. My two front teeth. When I was a little kid, tell you a little story time while we chop around here. When I was a little kid, my fucking dad, right? My dad, he's something. He's out in the backyard golfing. I ran up behind him. He fucking backswings, hits me right in the mouth, knocks out my two front teeth. So when I'm a kid, I got no two front teeth for years. No two front teeth. And they're like, "Oh, don't worry. You know, your adult teeth are gonna come in one day." So then, you know, my adult teeth, they come in. Guess what? Guess what? I get punched. I get sucker punched in the fucking mouth. Knock out my two front teeth. So pretty much my whole entire life, I've just never had two front teeth. I've been robbed from the idea of having two front teeth. Like, what are the chances that I got my teeth knocked out when I was a kid and I got my teeth knocked out when I was an adult? What the fuck? Oh my God. The best part is, these are fake. These are like veneers, right? So I went to the dentist to get my real teeth, or my teeth done, my new fake teeth, whatever you want to call them. I get there and the doctor's like, "Oh," he's all excited, right? And I'm like, "Oh, sick. They're gonna look really good, right? Like they're gonna look really." He's like, "Oh, they're gonna look so good. You know, your teeth are gonna look so good." And I'm like, "Sick. Yeah, awesome. I'm gonna have like off. You know, I'm paying like, I think I paid like $2,000 a tooth. I'm gonna have these awesome teeth." So he puts my teeth in. He comes back, you know, after it does everything, and he's like, "Patrick, the teeth look so good." And I'm all excited because I'm like, "Man, I'm gonna have some like really nice teeth," right? He pulls out the fucking mirror and he shows me. And he's like, "They look exactly like they did before." And I'm like, "What? You made them look exactly like they looked before? Like they were fucked up before. Why'd you make them look the same? I paid $2,000 to have perfect teeth, not fucking natural teeth. If I wanted natural teeth, I would have went and got natural teeth." What the fuck? I was so pissed. I paid $4,000 to have teeth that looked exactly like the ones I had before. It's a joke. Liam, Tanja, do you like borscht, pierogies, bogos, stuffed cabbage? I don't know if she likes that stuff. I mean, I think this still wants to go lower. Anybody want to argue with me that it doesn't want to go lower? But I don't know. We still got that pivot point down here. 73 pivot point down there. I want to see this pivot point get touched. the best part was that 9:45 opening range break. Look at how beautiful that move really was. What's crazy is we sold right through there. Like we didn't, I mean, it was fucking gone. Absolutely gone. I think a lot of times I tell myself this every fucking day. Like literally every fucking day I tell myself the same thing. I'm like, Patrick, you know, there it is. Down to the pivot point. Thank you very much. Patrick Wieland in the house. Hit the like button if you haven't already. We'll do a giveaway at 1,000 likes. Come on. Who's doing it like this? What did I just say? We're going to go lower. We're going to hit the pivot point. What do? We just hit the pivot point. It's like I fucking know exactly what's going to happen every fucking day. But what's interesting here is look at that 15-minute range breakdown. I mean, it just could not have. It took a while. It took a fucking while, that's for sure. But look at how beautifully that played out. And the best part is, look at that. Once again, giving you another opportunity to short when it pushed back up there, got stuck at the 15-minute opening range break, and then down to that pivot point. Akeem, how much fuel did I burn? I don't fucking know, bro. You're getting banned for asking stupid questions. People, I make so much fucking money, I don't even look. When I fill up my boat, I don't even look at the price. I give them the credit card, they give it back, and I throw the receipt away. I have no fucking clue. I don't care. I don't care. When I buy things, I don't even look at the price. I am on another level. I don't look at the price of anything. If I want to buy something, I just buy it. I want to buy a new truck. I don't even look at the price. I go to the Ford dealership. I just say, hey, I want that one. Here it is. Put it on my name. Let's go. Done. You know, like, come on, people. You gotta stop asking stupid questions. Patrick, how much gas do you put in your boat? I don't fucking know. Just fucking fill it up, man. Tanja Trades is gonna hold all day short. Oh, baby, I'll hold your hand with you, baby. Don't you worry. Aloha, Edgar. I'm no longer in Hawaii, so I can't say aloha anymore. I couldn't say aloha really before, even when I lived in Hawaii, but. We're breaking it, Tanja. I told you we were going to break 72. There we go. Hold it all day. Am I in a position? I am not in a position. Oh, Rachel got the jokes this morning. Is Tanja hot? Yeah, she's the most beautiful woman on this planet. Have you not seen her new YouTube channel? Go hit up her YouTube channel, leave some comments, tell everybody in the chat that Patrick Wieland, Tanja look like the best couple they've ever seen. She actually just did a face reveal. Can we get her to 2,000 followers today? 2,000 subscribers. Come on. There's 1,600 people watching. There's 1,600. Let's get her to 2,000 subscribers today. Blow it up, baby. It's happening. She'll come to Florida. Don't worry. Whatever she says in the chat, she's just playing hard to get. Women love playing hard to get. We all know they love to play hard to get. Come on. Go check out our new video. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Tell her how beautiful she looks. And then hit the subscribe button. Let's see. Let's go, baby. 2,000 subscribers today. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make a dream come true today. Patrick Wieland makes small YouTubers' dreams come true. I like to do it for the little people out there. This ain't the first time I've made a YouTuber blow up. Remember Nutty Bar? We got Nutty Bar a couple thousand subscribers one day. Well, maybe not a couple thousand, a couple hundred. Hey, honestly though, I would say at least like Nutty Bar is just total comedy. But you know, Tanja, I think she knows what she's doing. A little bit. I'm not like 100% convinced yet. I haven't seen it actually like in person. You know, I can't really vouch for her all the way, but I think she knows how to trade a little bit. Just a little bit. We're still going lower. Like I said, this market wants to go lower. It's going to go lower. When I say something's going to happen, it's going to happen. Ren, I'll fall asleep with her voice in 2 minutes. I'll fall asleep with her voice in 1 minute. Tanja, you got to give more energy. More energy. More energy. More power. More energy. More power. The problem is, how are you gonna go from watching a Patrick Wieland video to watching anybody else? Because nobody is on this fucking energy level. Nobody goes out and fucking trade and catches fish in the morning, comes home, catches fucking dollar bills. Nobody. There's nobody out there like that. Nobody. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. My 2 front teeth. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to focus here, people. We're going lower. Down there are the 60s now, through the 73s.
It's the conflict, and the market's hypersensitive to any headline coming out across the world, even threats, rumors, what have you. So every weekend or every Friday going into the close, he was a size trader, so he could take on the margin and all that. He would stay short a 1 lot going into the Friday close and would take that into the Sunday reopen with the play or the banking of, 2 days of non-trading with the potential of 2 days worth of negative headlines entering the market, entering the headlines and, catch a huge, perhaps a limit down. I mean, you're not praying for bad news, but it was just the reality of the times. So you always have to be short a 1 lot going into the reopen. Sometimes it would hit, sometimes it wouldn't, sometimes it would just be hunch. But there was always a little hedge. You could say, excuse me, you could have just been long treasuries, right? Long treasuries don't move like the S&Ps move when bad news hits. So that's kind of why, yes, it's risky for sure, but he decides to take it on. But
look at that thing. Down there to the 50s. Tanya trades with the call out of the day.
The probability that good news comes out over the weekend that's so damn good that it moves the markets 100 handle higher.
Right.
100 handle higher.
Oh my God. It's game over.
It's not even, there just won't be a bid in the damn market, so.
There won't be a bid in the market, so it's just going to open up again. So,
Yeah.
I have seen more over the weekend sell-off than I have over the weekend.
Yes. Especially lately with this uncertainty. Patrick Wieland in the chat. What's up, Pat?
What's up, Patrick? Patrick, there's an ocean out there. I just might go,
Yeah. Fishing buddies.
coming in and fishing.
Yeah, we're still cooking here. Yeah.
I'm in Mandarina.
What is that? Is that a city or a region? What is that?
It's just no, yeah, sorry. I mean, you guys don't know where it's at?
I do not.
It's by north of Punta Mita,
Oh.
Mexico.
So you're in the Gulf side?
No,
What side are you on, Patak?
I don't have my phone.
He doesn't know.
I don't have my phone.
Oh man.
This is the crazy about the story. There's a auto body shop right next to it.
That was the fuck. Nice little 30-point move down there from that pivot point. We've just been sell below the 14 EMA. This is one of those things, right? We see this in hindsight and we're like, why did we cover? Why did we cover? Why, why not just let this thing fucking keep going until we basically get back above the 14 EMA? Because look at this thing. All the way from the 43s up here. I mean, it was just, you know. So the DXY, the dollar is coming back up here. Well, coming down here now, pulling back. So be a little careful. Possible reversal. It's hard. It's just, you know, like in hindsight, you're like, well, fuck, why did I take profit? But then when you're in the trade, you're like, I'm up 50 points. Do you not take 50 points? Do you keep holding? You know, so I remember back in the day when I was happy catching 10 points. You know, so. It's all about perspective, right? Look at that rip back up. So right there, it's like that's a 30-point rip back up if you didn't take profit at the 40s. And now you're right back where your entry was at the 70s. So honestly, every time I leave a runner, I always get stopped out on the runner, like every fucking time. People always tell me, like, Patrick, just leave a runner on. Leave a runner, Patrick. Leave a runner. And every fucking time, I end up getting stopped out on it. And so I'm just like, I don't even do it. I'm just like, fuck it. Trading with Ken. I take a short at 14,810. Nice work. 810 all the way down. You got that 15-minute opening range break. Where'd you get the cover at? Did you get a cover at? Where'd you get the cover? Trailer your stop. I don't know. I think it's, at the end of the day, like I said, it's all about perspective. If you can get 50 points, well, you can't complain about that. You know, fuck it. You made 50 points. AJ Davis trying to shoot his shot over there. Uh-oh. This chat's turning into a dating channel. I hope that's 14,748 trading with Ken. Probably not 848 if you were short, hopefully. Well, Tanja is from she's from the Czech. I think she's from Czech. She's Czech. Something from over there. You're not, wait. Croatia. I like how you guys know more about my girlfriend than I do. God. I'm gonna have to come up to New York City to take Tanya out for a trade. I'm gonna have to fly all the way to New York City. Get the private jet ready. We're going to New York City. Gonna take Tanya out for dinner tonight. Steak dinner on me, baby. I got a tournament tomorrow morning, so I gotta be back early. Ooh, I like when you speak Croatian to me, Tanya. I like it. Eric Smith, when we break the 15-minute range and then we return to it, hell yeah, man. That's honestly, this is, I would say, this is the best possible way to play the 15-minute range. It doesn't always play out that way. Sometimes you get those big moves straight down. But this right here, look at that. You had lots. What's great about this is if you wait for these candles to close, you get short pretty much like into this thing, or short in this level here, maybe on this candle on that lower low there, or whatever, on that lower high there. I mean, you've got great risk to reward, right? Like you've got really good risk to reward. The reward is all the way down here. And yeah, that's a great entry there, you know. I would have, yeah, I mean, that's, fuck. You can't go wrong when the market turns that 15-minute opening range break into resistance. Look at that. Fucking A, man. The dollar, once again, the dollar continuing to dump here. I don't like that. I don't like how the dollar is dumping here. And the NASDAQ just dumped right off that pivot point. 73 down to the 50s, 40s again. I want to see the dollar showing strength to then make sure that we're going to be a continuation in that move lower on the indices. You know what I mean, people? Oh, I'm happy that I made some money this morning. It would have been a really awkward vlog. I always hate vlogging and not making money because it's like, hey, everybody, here I am. Day in the life. Not making money. My life sucks. All right, so we are about to be done here on the live stream. It is 10:30, and we made money. And like I just said in the live stream, that it is not fun to do a vlog and not make money. So we're happy that we made money. We caught the fish. The goal this morning was to go out before the market opens and catch a fish, which we did. The second goal, as always, is to make money, which we did. Not only did we make money, but we crushed the markets. We got over a 50-point short. I mean, am I living the dream? I think so. I think so. So we're going to get finished up here with the live stream in a minute and keep the party rolling. We got more stuff to do. It's Friday. Fresh cash Friday. We need 100 more likes here to get to 1,000 for the giveaway. Trade McCann catching a bag. Love to see it. Love to see it. All I want for my birthday is my birthday money, money. My birthday money, money. My birthday money, money. It's funny. I feel like the longer that I trade, like the more that I trade in my life, now 7 years into trading, I feel like I get one good trade and I'm just like, I'm good, I'm done. And I just like, it's hard for me to stay focused and like look for the next setup. Anybody else feel like that? You get that one good trade in the morning and you're just like, all right, sweet, $3,000, I'm done. But like on a day like today, there's been a few good setups here. This would have been a really good setup. This break below this the pivot point would have been good. Another setup there. It's hard. But it's funny because like the days when you're having a red day, like if you're having a red day, it's so easy to be like, I'm going to keep trading. But I have that. It's funny. If you look at my stats on Topstep, you'll see like the days where I'm profitable and I have my best days always are the least amount of trades. And then my red days, always the most amount of trades. It's kind of funny. How do we like psychologically, like how do we stop that? I want my red days to be the least amount of trades, and I want my green days to be the most amount of trades. I think that's like a good question. Tanja, we need to do the podcast. Call it dating traders. Turn it off if you lose the first trade. Try again tomorrow. I don't know. That would be... I feel like that's cutting yourself a little short. On red days, are your first trade red? Normally not. Normally on red days, maybe Normally, like, yeah, no, I would say my red days are normally like the first trade's a winner. I would say I know exactly what happens. My first trade of the day, I take profit too early. Then I FOMO into the second trade, trying to get another breakout, and then the market pulls back, stops me out, and then I like go on tilt because I'm like, fuck. Because then the market, maybe it stops me out, and then it goes higher again, and then fucking stops me out again. You know what I mean? Like I would say that's like my typical red day. That is my typical red day right there. I know exactly how it goes. Yeah, no, it's I think the big focus really for me needs to be that, like, if I get my setup, I need to go for that, like, 40, 50 points. Like, go for the fucking, get the trade. Capitalize on the trade. Don't take profit early, because then if I take profit early, then I FOMO into it, try to get some more money out of the move, and then I'm like fucking doing stupid shit. Put a 5-minute rule when a trade is a loser. That's not a bad idea. Paul Revere, 850. What are you talking about? You must be not live. 2 losses in a row, quit for the day. Yeah, I mean, the funny part is, like, 2 losses in a row for me, I'm having to quit either way. I'm hitting max loss. If I take 2 losses back to back, I've hit max loss. That's what happens when you trade with 15 contracts. I mean, honestly, if I take 15 contracts and I take a loss right out of the gates, normally I'm stopped out for the day. So this thing does grinding lower. Tanja, are you still short? Tanya, honey, are you still short right now, baby? She's still short. That's my girl. I taught her everything she knows. Ooh. Tanya, if you were going to short again, where would you short again? Up at the 60s? Into that fair value gap? Oh my God, the thing is just bleeding out right now. Look at those candles. Those 1-minute candles look terrible. We got more bosses on the chart. More bosses. Oh, man. Why did I not hold? I would be up 100 points right now. I'd be up 120 points right now. Fuck me. If I wouldn't have taken profit, this thing would have reversed and went to the highs. Michael said that I need to fly to New York and do a week of live shows with Tanya. You both would double subscribe. I will only have Tanya on my live show when she commits to marriage. I don't want her to get too big. I don't want her YouTube channel to get too big without her committing to marriage, because what happens if she becomes a super famous, just like Humble Trader? Humble Trader used to hang out on my channel, comment on my videos, and now she has 1 million fucking subscribers and she doesn't even talk to me anymore. Yeah, it's bullshit. Real fucking bullshit. Remember the little people out there, people. You know, what about the little people? The little people. You got to remember us. Humble Trader, where did you go? I thought we were friends. You lied to me. You said we were going to be friends forever. See? That's what I don't want Tanya to do. Imagine if Tanya, you know, like, what if she does that? What if she gets 1 million subscribers and then no longer talks to me anymore? I would feel very upset. It would be very upset. Like, look at this. Look at this shit. Look at that. Humble Trader 4 years ago. Amazing video by Patrick Wieland interviewing Guy Gentile. She posted this look at that like. She got 19 likes on it back in the day. What the fuck? She was my #1 fan. Patrick Wieland, this is on her channel, by the way. She posted that. Humble Trader 4 years ago posted that. And now look at her. 1.1 million. Now she posts stuff. Look how many fucking likes it gets. 2.7. What the fuck? Humble Trader, what happened to our friendship? What happened to us? We were something. We were friends. No, now we're nothing. Everybody should go message Humble Trader and be like, why did you stop being friends with Patrick? You were Patrick's #1 supporter, and then you walked away from him. He needs you again. He needs you to come back and support him and be strong with him. Why did you not? Why'd you leave him? Why? Why did you leave him? How did she walk away from you? Because she used to watch my videos and comment on my videos. And now she doesn't even act like I exist. Reach out to her and I'm the fucking mentor. I'm not going to do an interview with her. I taught her everything she knows. She needs to do an interview with me. The fuck would I do an interview with her? I used to do stocks, not futures as well. Oh, that would have been a nice little break right through the 700s there. Just right through it. I mean, there's no way I'm going to re-enter this. Fuck it. I blew my wall. I fucking. Yeah. I'm not gonna chase this thing now. What's funny is like, I think I did it to myself. If you want to, like, if you remember when I was talking about the idea, I was like, man, if I could just get 50 points, I was so focused on getting 50 points that I didn't fucking focus on the trade. I talked myself out of the trade. I talked myself out of the trade for no reason. That's on me, you know? No, I'm totally happy. Trust me, I'm totally happy. I'm just saying I'm not gonna re-enter the trade here knowing that I had like the best possible fucking entry here. I mean, I was short up at the fucking 40s here for this breakdown right there. So it's like, there's no way in hell I'm gonna fucking I'm not gonna short right here at the 40s, cover here at the 90s, and then get short of the fucking 710s. I ain't doing it. Oh, it's gonna break through 700 right here. Oh, it's gonna do just a fucking takeout 700 level right there. Watch it, motherfuckers. Take it down to the 70s so you can stop, so you can take out, so Tanya can take profit. That way she don't get too rich. We don't want her getting too rich. She gets too rich, she won't need me anymore. You know, I'm just joking about a lot of this stuff. You don't know what I'm joking about, but I'm joking about most of it. You just don't know which parts. Have a good Friday. Trading McKen, nice trading today. Everybody nice trading today. I mean, the next pivot point's down there at the 657s. Looking here at the hourly. Oh my God. Look at that hourly setup there. Oh my God. Was that not the perfect setup? We talked about this bear flag pre-market. Literally this thing right there, pre-market. Look at that. Oh my God. I mean, when it comes to a setup right there, check the 4 hour. What's the 4 hour look like? Oh my God, it's beautiful. I think this thing is pretty clear until about the 60s. Maybe we kind of test that 60 level here. Come on, take it to the 70s. Let my girlfriend take profit. Let her take profit. Tanya trades hitting the 100-point trade here live on Patrick Wieland's YouTube channel. Congratulations. I think in honor of our partnership, she's now an official moderator. Oh man. I don't know, guys. I think we did it. We did it today, boys. We did it today. I mean, we crushed it. We absolutely crushed it. I don't know why anyone would watch any other YouTube channel out there. Like, what are you going to waste your time for? Name one other live stream on YouTube that's doing this. Name them. I'll wait. I'll wait. Crickets. All I hear is crickets. 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 Nothing. Nobody. It ain't happening. No, Tanya Trades she's part of my YouTube channel now. We've absorbed her. Vinny, LOL. Stock Sniper Trading Channel. Who the fuck is that? Never heard of them. Nobody. If I haven't heard of them, they're a fucking nobody. Because I know they've heard of me. So, you know. Nobody. If your name's Stock Sniper, that's fucking so cringe. Like, what'd you do? Like, go on Google and type in names for YouTube channels. Stock Shooter. Stock Sniper. What the fuck? You're like, you know, like you're like Tanya. You're like, what should be my YouTube channel name? Tanja Trades. Tanja Trades. I think you did yourself wrong, Tanja Trades. You probably should have just done your real name. Just straight up Tanja. I think it would have been better maybe Tanja Makes Money. Tanja Profits. I'm like the only. How many other day trading YouTubers have like their actual real name? Anyone with like trades, if you put trades in your name on YouTube, like you just pigeonhole yourself forever. I could be anything. I could stop trading, start fishing videos, start fucking OnlyFans. I can do whatever I want. Got it all. Tanja does trading. Well, Patrick does everything. Trading with Travis. Ugh, God, another cringe. Just terrible. What a terrible name. Nutty Bar Trade. Like, what? Just all terrible names. Terrible. Humble Trader. Terrible. Trading with Travis has 78 people watching. I got more people waiting for me when I'm not even live on YouTube to watch. Don't even compare. You guys are naming a bunch of no-names. No one's even heard of these people. Name somebody actually who does something. Nope. You're not bait Javier. Jovier. Oh my God. Come on. Jovier Gyms. Oh God. Oh God. I'm like LeBron James of trading. Michael Jordan of trading. You can't even compare me to anybody else. Dave Teaches FX. Ew. Another terrible name. Like these people's names are just terrible. Don't even if they have trades or trading or anything in their name, it's just don't even mention it to me. Terrible. I mean, Nutty Bar is fucking, he's terrible. Lambo Raoul, terrible. They're all terrible. It's just terrible names. Yeah, my S Corp is Patrick Wieland, LLC. My business is Patrick Wieland, LLC. I can do whatever the fuck I want. Nutty Bar is still going through puberty, I think. You know what I don't understand though about, nothing against Nutty Bar, but I don't understand why he's always clearing his throat. Always. Have you ever noticed that? Has anyone else ever noticed that? Anybody? I always notice that. He's always like, like every 5 seconds. What about ICT? Well, I mean, we all know he's insane. I mean, I just don't understand why he clears his throat it's like every minute. Every time he has to say something, he's like, So guys, I'm looking at the market right now. I'm thinking about 740s. Drink some water out of his he has like a little Stanley cup with a straw. Any guy who drinks a fucking water out of the thermos with a fucking straw, don't get me started. If you're a man and you drink out of a fucking thermos with a bendy straw, you got problems. You got to stop doing that. Stop doing that shit. That's so bad. So bad. Fucking, I'll use a straw for like my frappe, little frappe or something, but don't be drinking water out of a thermos with a straw. Yeah, those Stanley thermoses. God, that is the most white girl thing of 2023. You're not a white girl unless you have a fucking bedazzled Stanley thermos. If I ever go on a date with a girl and she has a Stanley thermos in her fucking cup holder, instant black. It's instant, it's over. Date's over. I ain't doing it. Fucking 2023, every little white girl has got a fucking Stanley thermos. I got my Stanley thermos. I put my sorority logo on there. Back when I was hot in college, I was part of the Alpha Alpha Alpha. Kami. God. Imagine literally if going to college and being in a sorority or fraternity was like your fucking the peak of your life. That'd be bad. Be real bad. That'd be a very sad existence. You peaked fucking in college, being in a sorority or in a fucking fraternity. Patrick Wieland did not go to college. Patrick Wieland makes more money than pretty much every single college graduate in America. I would say I make more money than 99% of college graduates in America. Graduates. I think it's a fact, actually. That's actually a fact. That is a fact. It's not even me like talking shit. That is a fact. So, this is good. I got a story for you guys. This is a good one, actually. So, last night, I go to a fishing, a captain's meeting. Market pushing back up right here. We bounced off that 681 level. Is that just a reaction before another trap to the downside? Dollar showing some weakness there. So, the dollar pulling back. We'll keep an eye on it in case there's another short opportunity here. But, so last night, I go to this fishing tournament. This is great. Great stuff here. I go to this fishing tournament and meet up. There's a tournament on Saturday, so you gotta go to the meeting, get stuff, and get ready for the tournament. So I'm talking to this girl. I've known this girl, whatever. We used to hang out, stuff like that. And I didn't go over to her. She came over to me. She started talking to me. And after like 5 or 6 minutes, her boyfriend comes over. People obviously like, not that I'm like famous, but people, they know who I am, especially like in the like small circle of fishing and stuff. So the guy comes over. He's like, "Hey, what's up?" I'm like, "What's up?" He's like, "So, you didn't stay in Hawaii?" He's like, "I guess the crypto didn't work out." And I'm like, "Nah, man, crypto didn't work out. But luckily, I trade futures now, and I just bought a brand new 36-foot yellowfin." He's like, like didn't know what to say after that. He's like, "Oh, congrats. But the fact that he was like trying to make a stab at me for moving back from Hawaii, you know, because I was talking to his girlfriend. He's like, oh, crypto didn't work out, huh? I'm like, well, actually, now I make more money than ever. It's great. I'm pretty happy. Poor guy. I love when people come at me. I just don't know why come at me. Don't come at me. Don't come at me, people. What are you going to say? What's going to be your flex? Oh, I went to work today. I made $200 working all day long, you know, 9 to 5. I've got a great job. I do construction. I work at a tire shop, whatever bullshit job you have. Nothing against those things, but like, what's going to be your flex on me? Like, how are you going to flex at me? Don't do it. Don't flex at me. You ain't going to win. There was no need for it. All he had to do was come over and just be like, cool. You know, be like, hey, what's up, man? How's it going? You know, come back from Hawaii. That's cool. You're going to be fishing? Cool. All right, sweet. Easy. Don't come over and try to flex on me because you're going to lose. Paul Revere, short back at 800 to 825. What? It's going to 800 to 825? That looks a little high. 100-point move from here? I guess I'm going long. There's another setup here. She's moving down once again. She's moving down once again. Blah, 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 blah. I like big butts and I cannot lie. My mama don't tell me why, but when I make so much money, I don't know what I do because I just get so happy. You always know when I'm making money, I'm in a good mood. And when I'm not making money, I'm in a bad mood. I used to always tell my girlfriend, I'm like, look, it's very simple. If I don't come out of the office before noon, I'm having a bad day. So don't talk to me. Don't ask me how it's going. Don't ask me how my morning was. If I don't come out of the office before fucking 12 o'clock, you know exactly how my fucking day is going. That's what I love about like trading. People love to be like, oh, how was your day? Did you have a good day trading? Did you make money trading today? How was the trade today? You make a lot of money today? Was it really good? Good market today? And it's like, if you have a bad day, you're just like, fuck. Well, I'm saying, Stefan, like if I'm having a good day, I'm coming out of the office at like 10 o'clock. You know, I'm smiling, I'm like having a good day. But if I don't come out of the office before 12 o'clock, that means I'm probably having a bad day. You know? I do love my favorite though. I do love the best is when people will be like, oh, I saw the market went down today. Did you lose money? Did you lose money today? I saw the market's red. Are you okay? Are you going to be okay? I saw the market went down 1%. You know, like people literally, that's my favorite. I see some random person. They're like, oh, what do you do for work? I'm like, I day trade. Like, oh, the market's been down big, huh? You probably lost a lot of money. I'm like, well, not really. They're like, oh, how did you not lose money? I'm like, well, I short as well. And then it's like, well, what's shorting? I'm like, you know, we don't even want to get into that conversation. Literally every person I meet, always the same story. Oh, you're into trading. That's difficult, right? Trading's difficult. I've heard that you don't actually make money trading, right? It's not possible. That's what I've heard. I've just heard that it's impossible to make money. So that must be really hard. That must be a hard job. Like, well, trading actually, it's really easy job actually. Nothing hard about it. Like, you literally press the button and money appears. It's like Fight Club. Number one rule of being a day trader: don't tell anyone you're a day trader. All right.
Stop, watch, never stop. Just the flow that got the block hot, shit got super hot. Hey, give me my respect. Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Stop, watch, shit don't never stop. Just the flow that got the block hot, shit got super hot. Hey, give me my respect.
Oh, we're getting demonetized. Damn it. I think this is a double bottom. It looks like a double bottom. It looks like a double bottom. My Nana, you know, my Nana actually, bless her heart, but my Nana sometimes she's like, oh, I saw you lost today. I saw you lost money today on the live stream. Are you gonna be okay? Do you need to borrow some money? Hey, Patrick, you need to borrow some money? I saw you lost today. I'm like, Nana, losing $3,000 ain't gonna put me out of business. All right, I'll be all right. I'll survive. Bless her heart. Gotta love her to death. But it's pretty funny. Every time I lose money, it's like, oh, you need to borrow a little bit of cash. You need to borrow a little bit. You need to borrow a little bit of money, Patrick. I see you had a red day. I saw you had a red day today on the live stream. You need to borrow a little bit of cash. Oh. Was Nana on your boat? She was on the wakeboarding boat when I was in Orlando. All right, we got 900 likes. We can do the 1,000 likes giveaway if we can get there. Can we do it today? Is it possible? I'm down for the giveaway. If you all got, if you want to be down for it too. Another short setup here. Do we take out this low? I need my girlfriend to confirm. Tanya, tell me what to do. Tanya, come back. Where'd she go? Now I can't place a trade without her acknowledging me. I'm gun shy. I can't do it. All in. Tanya said it's going lower. Bet. 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 Okay. All right. I'm in. All in. 15 contracts short. It's going lower. You heard her say it. You heard her say it. If it blows up in my face, well, I think she said she's going to cover my profits. We're good. Don't worry. She got money like that. She got money like that. She got money like that. She's trying to take out that 80 level next here. Thanks, babe. Teamwork, baby, makes the dream work. My girlfriend makes me money. She makes me money. She makes me money. My girlfriend, she makes me money. She makes me money. Hey, hey. Some guys' girlfriends have to use OnlyFans to make money. Mine just tells me to go short, and I go short. Happy wife, happy life, boys. Ugh. Is Tanya really my girlfriend? I think she is. She hasn't agreed to it yet, but well, if I just, you know, manifest. It's all about manifesting. Manifesting. Oh, it's funny. We're manifesting over here, people. What's my biggest flex? I don't know. My biggest flex is I can do whatever the fuck I want. That's it. It's not about the money. It's not about the cars, the boats, the trucks. It's just the fact that I can do whatever the fuck, whenever the fuck I want. And that's my biggest flex. That right there is worth all the money in the world, my friends. If you haven't already seen Tanya's new video, giving her some love in the chat today. She's got a new video out. Go check it out. Leave a little bit of love. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Maybe if we get her to 2,000 subscribers, she'll go on a date with me. Help me help you. It's still going lower. Don't fade Tanya. Sarah B. Now, you saw the video before she even knew she had anything to do with me? Well, that's messed up. How dare you? How dare you watch somebody else on YouTube without knowing that they have something to do with me? I'm really happy for you guys. I'm really happy for all of us today. We got the bag. I'm up 4,100 in one account. Up, yeah, almost a $10,000 day here. $10,000 Friday. I'll take it. Easy peasy, baby. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I just spent $150,000 on new motors for my boat. Not sure how that worked out. It is what it is. It's only money. It's only money. You know, you can't take it with you. You can't take it with you, okay? You can't. Tanya, are you taking profit or are you holding this thing? Tanya, you said you would take a 100-point profit. Are you still holding or are you taking it? I got the 150,000K accounts. Where did you say you got filled? Where did you say that? I don't see that. It just says, here we go, plus 100 points. You got to be more clear with your comments. I need full description. I need timestamps. When you got filled, when you took profit, I'm getting the Mercury 400R V10s. It's going to drop down to 100 points now. Now that Tanya took profit, I took profit. It's over. It's just going to go straight fucking down. Tanya is out at the 72s. She was short from the 72s up here. I don't want to say that I had the better entry, but obviously I had the better entry. You know. She's learning, guys. She's learning. She's doing a good job. But, you know, round of applause. If she would have taken my entry, she would have, you know, been up like 200 points. But hey, who's counting? She did not do better than me today because she trades one contract. I trade a lot more contracts. So I'm up $10,000 on the day. What are you up today, Tanya? What are you up? Tell the people that I did make more than you. If you made more than me, I'm in trouble. I might need to go all in again. Wait, you bought a $300,000 boat with no motors? Yeah, no. I bought a $300,000 boat with motors. Now I'm putting new motors on it. And it was $340,000. Yeah, Tanya's up 4,000. I'm up 10,000. So it was close. Props to her. She definitely got more points than me, that's for sure. Move over Taylor and Travis. Taylor Swift, Travis Kelce, we're coming for you. Tanya and Patrick. Doesn't ring off the tongue as well, but I think Tanya and Patrick sounds better. Yeah, I got in again when you told me it was going lower. I asked you if it was going lower, and I said I was getting in. Man. Those pivot points, guys. Those pivot points. Why not the 500s? Because the 500s are too heavy. They're too big for my boat. The V10s are, they're not as heavy as the 500s. I'll call you, baby. Don't worry. I'll call you right after the stream. We could talk for hours like we do every day. All right, I got to get off the stream so I can call my girlfriend real quick. But yeah, good times. Fresh Cash Friday. Honestly, it couldn't. The morning, the 9:30 to 10 o'clock was total shit. But look at that move afterwards. I mean, this is what dreams are made of, my friends. Dreams are fucking made of this right here. This is the shit that we want to see. Make money. Right there. I woke up this morning. I caught a fish. I went out fishing, 7 a.m., caught a fish. I came back, did the live stream. Now it's 11:30. Now what do I do? Now, what do I do now? What do I do now? Who knows? Just fucking go out and live my life, baby. So, congratulations for everybody who tuned in today. We had a really good Friday. We killed it. Absolutely murdered it. And, yeah, Todd Kitchen, my first real green week with you. Seriously, thank you so much. Hey, that's the whole point here, guys. I know we joke around a lot. We get crazy. But at the end of the day, we're here to make money. We're not here to change the world. We're here to support each other and to grow, right? Like, to grow everything to get, like, what's so cool is I've even seen it in the Market Flow Trader community. I've seen guys who came into the market flow trader community who were unsure that they could ever figure out how to trade, who are now taking real payouts with Topstep, and it's really cool to fucking see. There's two types of people in this world, right? You're either a loser or you're a winner. And the only difference between a loser and a winner is a winner chooses to win and a loser chooses to lose. It's that simple. It's not rigged. The system's not rigged. The world's not rigged. It's not fucked. It's just that simple. You either choose to win or you choose to lose. You might have a shitty situation. Your life might suck. You might be fat. Whatever it is. Just fucking make the decision today. If you're fat and you're unhappy, go to the gym. Stop eating fucking Twinkies. If you're broke, get a fucking job. Start working. You know, it's that there is an answer for every fucking problem out there. And that answer is always simply just doing more than what you're doing or doing something differently. It's not fucking rocket science. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to reinvent the fucking wheel to figure shit out. You just got to put in the work. All right? I'll see you guys next week, Monday, Mega Money Mondays. Hopefully, I win the fishing tournament this weekend. Hopefully. And then I'm going to be really happy on Monday. If I don't win, I'll still be happy, but I'd be stoked to win. So, there it is. I will see you guys Monday morning. Peace to the Middle East. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun. Spend a little bit of money. Go out, go have a nice dinner. Steaks on me, boys. Steaks on me. Peace.